This cocktail is called a Caiprissima. I'm going to spell it for you because I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Caiprissima. Caiprissima. We're going to start off with our ice in our glass. Then you're going to add 2 to 3 ounces of white rum. There we go. I'm going to add 2. Depends how much rum you like, because it is mainly a rum drink. Now you're going to add about a tablespoon or so of sugar. So let's see. There we go. In that goes. Now we're going to do 2 limes. So let's go ahead and squeeze those and put them on in there. Now I'm going to take my muddler and just sort of get the lime juice out with the sugar in there, like so. That never hurt anything. Now I'm going to shake it. Why would you muddle and shake, you might say to me? Well, you want the sugar to dissolve in it. It's better that way. This is what your cocktail is going to look like. The lime's in there. Isn't that pretty? Go ahead and garnish it with a cocktail straw, and you are on your way. Cheers.